Watch it back.
Came to us. And overnight, with a ribbon cut on the interstate highway.
Yeah.
It used to be that it stood out there all by itself.
Would you like a song? No. Of course, gracias. Hello, how are you doing, sir? Would you like a song? Hello, how you doing? Would you like a song? Isn't it good? Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy.
Yeah, for the next 2 days should be. Is one of those ready for cake?
And that's extra too. To the right-hand side, you got the first public library in the 1920s. Please don't take a picture of me. The market house is there today because we needed the flood channel. We excavated the flood channel after the flood. But what happened on that fateful day, September 1921, is the ground was so saturated with water that a flash flood came through the downtown area. Airman! There you go. Airman, on my boat, look at me. Airman on my boat. Do me a favor, go like this.